visit here in Peru? Somewhere?
If we find some, it's a nice view there. You know, like. I'll keep running a bit.
Yeah, that way.
Have you figured out what those reds are?
No.
It's like a very special.
Oh, we have a popular.
Probably. Why not? Just sit there. Just
Or there? Or there?
yeah.
Some more air.
Probably.
Where do you want to sit? With your back here or back there?
I'll go the other side. It was a long city. And they lost. Interesting. I hope it's filming something. And they lost.
They're stopping and they're looking to see if they can find someone. They're taking pictures of someone.
Must be reassuring to see that. You haven't forgotten anything.
Oh, did I put my mobile phone in my backpack?
Where is it?
I'm gonna have to, well, it would be gone by now anyway, but let me check now that you make me nervous. If you want to know, my mobile phone is always here in this pocket. Yeah, it's there. It's there, right? What's going on?
It's alright.
Need something? You need the Wi-Fi or anything? Oh, okay. No, we were just checking because we sort
She seems so curious. They must have seen something.
Okay, what? Are you able to get that in Ibiza?
I wonder if the Airbnb will do the
To you as a point.
trimmed it quite substantially.
What are they offering as food here?
Live music from 3 o'clock. Maybe take the bougainvillea from here.
I don't think it's as restricted as usual, but it's
I don't think anymore. It's such a big.
It's like such a climb.
Really?
Exhausting climb. Wanna go around? See whether anything has changed.
But they have installed your lift indeed.
Hmm?
They have installed the lift indeed. They were working on that for Christmas. The lift.
Yeah. They've got something here as well. It's much more open. Probably trim some trees. Ice cream. That stuff. Yeah, next time we sit, remind me to charge the GoPro. Really? Yeah.
The flowers of the Canary Islands. They make a book of it. Postcards. Canary Island flower.
Oh, we can enter now here, you see?
Yeah. Oh, the giraffe. Can take a picture? I come too close.
Because now it's like a normal. If you fancy stopping for a drink, no worries. No worries.
Left or straight?
Straight, dear. Watch out.
their pastas always look so nice on these pictures.
You'll have to decide to sit down one day. Entertainment for the West, a barber shop. There's a barber shop upstairs. It's a barber shop. I can leave you to eat your paella.
Oh gosh, never again, my lord.
See, they have a nice stairs now. Was this here before?
Like the
The Belgians are closed?
Oh, for sale. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been closed for a while. Probably decided. Yeah, but now, we will try now. Let's cook the location for the restaurant. No breeze, no view.
Yeah, you need to bring in some entertainment. Canarian fun.
It's burning. Top of my head is burning.
It's burning. Ah, because they didn't want to cover it. Yeah. But that was a choice there, wasn't it? That you told me you were making.
Look, she's dancing.
To post on YouTube.
Yeah.
Everyone's doing those kind. They might all look innocent, but everyone is guilty of the same. The good news now is that everyone can be a celebrity. You can film yourself, you can post your own images, and see whether people like it or not. If you're courageous enough, you send it to all your friends. Say, look at what I'm doing.
I'm sending it.
If it's your job, yeah. Of course. If it's your hobby that you want to do discreetly in your own
Have you ever
time.
walked here and there were so few people?